Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see lesson odd one in. This lesson teaches us to be kind to others and respect each other's differences. This lesson revolves around or it is about the girl whose name is Rima. She was a city girl who tried to teach new students in her class. Malti was a new student in Rima's school. She was from a different state. She took admission in Rima's school. She was different from Rima and her friends and other girls also. So we are going to see this lesson. How was that Rima and Malti and how they behave each others with each other. Okay, we are going to read this lesson. How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. Okay, Rima shrugged. No lessons, just settling in. Any new girls in your school class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. Only one, Malti, and she is funny, grimaced Rima as she helped herself to the salad. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. She can't speak much English. She has come from another state, sniffed Rima, naming one at other end of the country. Oh, children from that state are supposed to be clever. They are specially good at maths, said Mr. Sen quietly. Well, this one does not seem smart at all. Oily hair, bindi, and all. Good morning, teacher, mimicked Rima. Means that was the first day of Rima at her school. When she come back from the school, and uh, she is taking her dinner. Mother asked her, "How was the first day, Rima?" Rima said that it's okay, no lessons, only settling in. There was only settling in. Means on the first day of the school there was no any lesson or lecture. Her father, Mr. Sen, asked her, "Is there any new girl in your class?" Malti replied that there was only one girl, Malti, named Malti, and she is from another state. Which state? One that the other end of the country. So Mr. said, means her father said that children from that states are supposed to be clever and they are specially good in maths. But Rima said that this Malti is not like that other girls or she is not smart at all. She is that Malti applied oil in her hair, applied more oil in her hairs and hair and bindi on her forehead. She did not speak English fluently. So Rima do mimicry of that Malti. Good morning, teacher. Means she mimicked that Malti. Her parents exchanged glances. Rima was their only child. They doted on her, but she could be insufferable at times. I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti, sighed Mr. Sen as he rose from the table. Rima and her gang had decided to do just that. Means her father, Rima's father, didn't like his behavior towards that Malti. Rima's behavior towards Malti. They saw to each other and they think that Rima was their only daughter, and they but they didn't want that Rima became like this and behave like this towards Malti. So they asked that you and your friend didn't do anything unseparable to that difficult don't do any difficult thing to that Malti, means do not behave behave wrong with that Malti. They told that Malti and rose from that table. Next morning, the minute Malti entered the class. They all chorused good morning. Means all the Rima and their friends mimicked that Malti good morning. Poor Malti, she did not realize that they were making fun of her. She beamed back at them and replied good morning. When all of them are mimicked that Malti didn't recognize that they were making her fun. She also replying back, good morning, like this. Okay? Shehnaz giggled. Shehnaz giggled. Why do you put so much oil on your hair? She asked rudely. Malti looked offended but did not reply. And the skirt so long, said Claire cattily. Malti flushed and she was about to say something when teacher entered. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question. Yes, Malti, you answer, said teacher. Malti answered correct and teacher nodded in appreciation. When Rima recounted this at home, her mother said, sounds like a clever girl. What is what is the use? Said Rima uncharitably. Her English is so atrocious, means of very poor quality. The same may be said of your Hindi. The same may be said of your Hindi, countered Mr. Sen sharply. She was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Means next morning, when Malti entered the class, all the Malti and her friends do mimicry of that Malti, that good morning. She didn't recognize that they are making fun of her and she replied them good morning. The friend of Malti said, Snehnaz, who was the friend of Malti, said rudely, uh, that why do you put so much oil on your hair? And Malti didn't reply. And again another friend Claire also make fun of her that she wears a so long skirt like this. Malti was about to say something, but at that time the teacher entered the class, so she kept quiet and keep quiet. When the class is starting and everyone was when the class started, everyone was surprised to see Malti raised her hand whenever teacher asked her a question. Means she was so smart and clever. She raised her hand at every question which was asked by the teacher. Yes, Malti, you answered when teacher said. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation. Rima, all these things shared with her parents and at home, shared with her parents at home, and mother also admired that girl, and that Rima didn't like this and she said that what is the use of that? Her English is so atrocious. Atrocious means of very poor quality. Her English was of very poor quality. But that her parents, Mr. Sen, said that your Hindi is also poor. So your Hindi also is also poor, and it's not problem. You may improve that. Like that, Malti also can improve her English by the time. And when even Mr. Sen did not like it, that night Rima's parents discussed the matter. Means again that parents also this day also didn't like Rima's attitude, and they discussed about that matter. Mr. Sen said, we put Rima into good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid she is turning into quite a little snob. Means what Mr. Sen said, that they wanted Rima to be a good girl, to be a clever girl, to be a smart girl. So they put that Rima into good school, big school, to make her smart and confident. But they are afraid of that Rima because she is now turning into a quite little snob. Snob means one who consider oneself to be superior than others. Means that Rima considers herself that she is very smart than any other girls in the school. The following Saturday was the inter-house singing competition. Rima, who was participating in English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants for the Hindi song category. Oily plates sings also. Oily plates sings also. She said snidely to Claire. Crooks, you mean giggled Claire. They were to be proved wrong. Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. Rima and her gang had decided to jeer when Malti sang, but there was such absolute silence. They did not dare to. They were sure to get caught. So, when Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by the teachers and students. Means, when there was one Saturday, there was a competition of singing songs, and when Rima was participating in English category, she saw that in Hindi category there was the name of that Malti, and she got surprised to see that there was a Malti's name in Hindi song competition, and she said that oily plates sings also. Oily plates means that Malti. She is talking about Malti. And that Rima and her friends decided that they would jeer when Malti sang. Jeer means they will make rude remarks in a loud voice. When Malti will started to sing, they decided that when Malti will started to sing, they will make noise and make her fun. But they did not, they can't do that, could not do that, because why they couldn't do that? Because there was so much noise, there was so much silence, and because of that absolute silence, they can't dare say, all of them couldn't dare to do so. They were sure that they can get caught. So they didn't do any noise. And when Malti finished her song, principal started clapping, and then other teachers and students also like Malti's song, and they are also clapping aloud and admired Malti. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Rima did come first in her category. Somehow she felt no joy. Means in singing competition that Malti got first prize. Rima was also first in her category of English singing, but she was not happy because she didn't like that Malti got first prize for her sing, and she failed in her plan, so she did not happy with her prize. As the term progressed, she was abundantly clear to all. 1 minute. As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. She was quite studious and intelligent. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. Her forte was mathematics. Her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. Slowly, many of girls began seeking her help in mathematics. Her help which she readily and cheerfully gave. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. Now girls from the schools also befriended her. Means, as the days are going, and it was abundantly clear that it was made clear that Malti was a smart girl, bright girl. She was a quiet and intelligent. And what was her forte? Mathematics. Her forte was mathematics. Forte means something that someone excels in. Malti was excellent in mathematics, and all the girls from the school, from that class, began to take help for mathematics from that Malti. And teachers, from the beginning, teachers had liked that Malti, and now all girls also became friend of that Malti. Not Rima and her clique though, but Rima and her friends are not became friend of Malti, and they didn't allow to enter in their group. Clique means small group of friends who didn't allow others to join them. They make their own group. They didn't allow to enter anyone. They stubbornly disliked Malti. They were stylish a lot, and nothing that Malti did could alter the fact that she was not this type. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English. Means they didn't like Malti. They always find a chance for making fun of that Malti and tease that Malti. Malti felt bad about their behavior. One day she was on the verge of tears when Malti mocked at her mercilessly because she asked instead of ask. Malti didn't like their behavior. One day when she said ask means instead of ask. She want to say ask but said ask. So all of them started making fun of her. Her voice trembling, Malti said, I know my English is weak. Yours is good. Please, will you help me to prove it? Means Malti said that she was trembling, her voice was trembling. She was not happy with that behavior of Rima. And she said that I accept that my English is poor, but will you help me in improving my English? But Rima replied, I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified types. Means that Rima said that I cannot help you. I cannot help you, and it is not easy to uh, learn English for your for girls that are countrified, means that are from that country which are poor. Malti's face turned red. She wanted to retort but could not find the right words. She burst into tears and ran off. That's that was horrid, Rima, said Shehnaz. Yes, you agreed, Neha and Claire rounded. Means this behavior of Malti, her friend also didn't like this behavior of Malti, behavior of Rima towards Malti, because she speak very rudely to that Malti. So her friends also didn't like her behavior. Said that that was horrid, Rima. You cannot behave like this. So Rima was shocked that her own friends had turned against her. She walked off in a huff. Means Rima also surprised by hearing that friends also her friends also turn against her, and they are speaking about Malti, and they told her that you cannot behave like this. Miss Rima was shocked her own friends that her own friends had turned against her. She walked off in a huff. In a huff means in anger. She angrily went away from there. Mrs. Sen found her subdued over lunch but decided not to ask anything. When at home, when all of them are taking lunch, that Rima was quiet and upset, but her parents didn't ask about that. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. Rima also accepted that I had behaved very badly, but she was too proud to admit it, even to herself. But she was very proud of her, and she cannot accept to herself also that she is making mistake, or she had behaved very wrongly towards that Malti. Okay, did you understand this lesson? Okay, now we are going to stop here. Bye bye.